I'm really, really happy with this program. I'm so glad I chose it. I love all the professors. I think they're amazing. They're great mentors. They're all so open that you can go to them if you have any questions. They're always so patient and willing to talk to you and support you. And I feel like a real true sense of family here. And though it's a big school, you do feel supported here, and I just couldn't be more happy with this program. I'm really impressed with it. I've had amazing clinical experiences. I really enjoy the classes. I like the framework, the way the semesters are laid out, and it's been very manageable, though challenging, in a good way.
I have fully enjoyed my experience so far in the program. They always say like nursing school, like where you meet your friends for life, and I feel like we've built a good community amongst all the students, and also being able to like have the faculty that we have, whether it's in the clinical setting or in lecture, to instill in us so much knowledge.
The faculty in this program are top tier. The professors have lifelong experience. Many have their doctorate. They have extensive knowledge in hospitals and in community and just in the field in general. They know how to teach you what you need to know in the lecture format, but also give you that hands-on experience in clinical. And a lot of the professors have worked at many of these clinical sites, so they come with that extra level of experience at each hospital and the different procedures that the hospitals have.
The faculty is very involved, and they make sure that we feel confident in our abilities. The amount of support we're getting here, I'm going to carry with me throughout my whole nursing career. We're building a good foundation in this program, so I'm truly grateful for that.
This program immerses you right into nursing from the start. A typical day in the ABSN program usually consists of one day of lecture, or you'll have some days when you go to the clinical site and you're working in the hospital where you get all your hands-on experience. And then you'll have days when you're just taking in all that information and combining the two. And I think that's super helpful, and that's how this program works, because it's not just sitting in a classroom all day. It's taking the information that you learn from the classroom onto the clinical site and putting it into real-time practice.
It's very important to learn hands-on, because you solidify yeah, I can do this. You build your confidence in the care that you're going to give in the future.
I really trust the process of this program. I think sometimes you come in, and if you don't have a lot of experience on the field previously, you might seem overwhelmed by the amount of information that you have to learn. But what's helped me in this program is knowing that the classes and the clinicals are designed to get you to where you need to go. And I know this program has a very high NCLEX pass rate, and so I'm trusting that process and all the classes and all my professors, and knowing that they're going to get me there to pass the NCLEX.
The program is very structured, so we have our HESI exams at the end of each unit, which is our NCLEX prep, and also throughout lectures, our professors will hint at us this is the type of NCLEX style question. These are the things that you should focus on. These type of topics are going to be on NCLEX, so the program as a whole definitely prepares us for NCLEX.
This program tries to work with your location, so they do their best when you are going into your next semester to put you at a clinical site that's closest to where you're living. Having those connections from those clinical experiences that are closer to my house is really, really helpful, because that's where I will want to apply for a position. Hopefully in the end, I can get hired somewhere local, and I'll also have that on my resume that I did a clinical there, and that will help me to have that connection.
Each clinical, you're given a different nurse, so you see the different aspects of the way nurses care for their patients. You get to see interpersonal communication. You get to see different tricks for hanging an IV bag, different things that you can grab from each nurse or make your own. So once you're in the field, you feel prepared in the way you're going to be as a nurse for your patients and their families, because when you're a nurse, you're not just a nurse for the patient, you're also a nurse for the family. So being able to build that rapport with your patients, you get to experience that at the hospital.
When you're thinking about where you want to go to school, you want to go to the best school you can go to. So Cal State San Marcos is a great school. They have so many opportunities. They have so many different services they offer you, from the Career Center to mentoring, support. They're a full college campus. So with the extended learning program here, you have access to all of that. So I would say, especially in Southern California, down here, in Riverside County and San Diego County, this is the best program for nursing. And also in this program, you're going to come out with a bachelor's degree. And I think that's vital in the nursing field nowadays, especially in California. So I think all of those things considered, this is the best choice in the area for where you should apply.